Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. Today we are going to discuss a last topic from 4th chapter, that is emerging technologies. In last lecture we have seen what is a cloud computing, different models of cloud computing and different types of cloud computing. So today we will discuss about a 5G technology and its applications and features. So first of all, let us go through the introduction about a 5G. We all know about a 2G, 3G and 4G cellular network technology. So 5G is the fifth generation of cellular network technology. It is the next generation of wireless communication, and it is expected to provide internet connections that are multiple times faster than that of the 4G. We all know about a 4G, we are currently using it. So 5G is expected to provide internet connections multiple times faster than that of 4G. Using 5G technology, we can transfer a large amount of data. So to carry a large amount of data, it uses a variety of spectrum bands, including millimeter wave radio spectrum, with the help of which they can carry very large amounts of data at a short distance. Here, a drawback of 5G or any higher frequencies is that they are more easily obstructed by the walls of building, trees, and even the changes in the weather. So even when the weather changes or because of the buildings, walls of buildings, trees, the frequencies can be obstructed. That is, connection can be obstructed. The 5G new network will be able to transmit very large amounts of data, but only a few blocks at a time. So using 5G network, you can transfer a large amount of data, but only few blocks at a time. That is, few blocks are transferred at a time, but you can transfer large amount of data. 5G networks are digital cellular networks in which the service area covered by providers is divided into small geographical areas called as the cells. So, with the help of 5G network, service area is covered by provider, which is divided into small geographical areas, and those are nothing but the cells. Here 5G can support up to million devices per square kilometer compared to 4G. So as compared to 4G technology, using 5G it can support up to million devices per square kilometer. So these are the different features of new 5G technology, fifth generation technology. Let us see what are applications of 5G. So different applications of 5G are online 5G games. You can play different games. Those are available online. So online 5G games are example of 5G technology. Then automated vehicles. So different vehicles have automated features. So such a automated vehicles are applications of 5G. Then virtual classrooms, that is student can learn virtually from the virtual classrooms. So those are also applications of 5G technology. And the last, let us see what are features of 5G. So different features of 5G are like, first one is it is multiple times faster than that of the 4G. So speed of the or internet connection provided with the 5G is multiple times faster than 4G. With the help of 5G, we can have a reduced app load time. That is, our app will be get loaded within a less time. So reduced app load time is the feature of 5G, as well as it reduces the load time of website also. So reduced website load time is one of the feature of 5G. Ultra HD videos, you can watch the Ultra HD videos easily with the help of 5G technology. Then high speed data transfer, you can transfer the data very fast. Also large amount of data can be transferred with the help of 5G. So it is one of the feature of 5G. 5G technology also supports the IoT based applications, so that you can automate the different things, as like one of the example is automated vehicles. So IoT based applications are supported by 5G technology. So these are the different features of the 5G, that is 5G is multiple times faster than 4G with the help of 5G, reduce the load time, then load time of the applications, as well as it reduces the load time of website. We can watch the ultra HD videos, and our data will get transferred with a very high speed, and it supports the IoT based applications. So these are the different features of 5G. So note down all these points: introduction, all the points related to 5G, then applications of 5G, and then different features of the 5G. Thank you.